In this engaging video, we delve into the mysterious world of Bitcoin and attempt to unveil the true identity of creator, Satoshi Nakamoto. Join us on a thrilling journey of uncovering the nerve-wracking truth behind Bitcoin's enigmatic founder. Discover the origins of this groundbreaking cryptocurrency and delve into the conspiracy theories surrounding its anonymous creator. Get ready to have your mind blown as we explore the remarkable story of Satoshi Nakamoto and the global impact of Bitcoin. Welcome to our captivating video, Satoshi Nakamoto Unveiled, the nerve-wracking truth about Bitcoin's creator. Today, we embark on an extraordinary quest to unravel the identity of Satoshi Nakamoto, the mysterious brain behind Bitcoin. Bitcoin, the world's most renowned cryptocurrency, has revolutionized the financial industry. But have you ever wondered who created this groundbreaking digital currency? Enter Satoshi Nakamoto. Satoshi Nakamoto, a pseudonymous individual or perhaps a group, introduced Bitcoin to the world in 2009. But little is known about them, and their true identity remains shrouded in secrecy, causing countless debates, investigations, and conspiracy theories. Some believe Satoshi Nakamoto is a genius programmer, while others theorize they are a collective of technological masterminds. Regardless, what we do know is Satoshi's white paper, titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, outlined the revolutionary idea that would disrupt the conventional financial system. Bitcoin was designed to enable peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries like banks. This decentralized digital currency quickly gained traction, attracting tech enthusiasts, libertarians, and those seeking financial freedom. As Bitcoin's popularity grew, so did interest in Satoshi Nakamoto's true identity. Many potential candidates were identified over the years, but none have provided concrete evidence or claimed the title definitively. We find ourselves in a real-life mystery, akin to the search for Atlantis, questioning if we will ever uncover Satoshi Nakamoto's true identity. Numerous theories attempt to shed light on the mystery. Some believe Satoshi Nakamoto is a reclusive genius protecting their identity for personal security. Others suspect government involvement, using Bitcoin as a tool for surveillance or destabilization. Over time, various individuals claim to be Satoshi Nakamoto, but their assertions prove to be false. The search for Bitcoin's creator continues, captivating the minds of enthusiasts, journalists, and even Hollywood filmmakers. Despite the intrigue, there is one undeniable truth: Bitcoin, the groundbreaking cryptocurrency, continues to revolutionize the way we perceive and interact with money. Whether Satoshi Nakamoto steps out of the shadows or remains an eternal enigma, their creation's impact on the world remains unmatched. Join us on this thrilling journey of uncovering the secrets behind Bitcoin's creator, Satoshi Nakamoto. Together, let's explore the origins, dispel the myths, and embrace the remarkable legacy of Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency that changed the world. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel and go through our Twitter, Instagram and Telegram links for more information.